Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In this video, I want to give an update for my 12th week using Option Alpha. And if you tuned in last week, that's when I paused my Ironfly trading bot. And so this week, I actually started this trending credit spread bot. And I made another video introducing the credit spread bot. That introduction video was just going over a few templates that I was running, determining the overall trend of the ticker using the SMA values. And then I also added in an RSI check, and I'll give another update regarding those results. But basically, that's what I turned on this week. And so what I've been running is this 5 SMA plus the RSI check. Basically, it's taking the 5 SMA, using it as a trend indicator, determining if the ticker is trending up or down, and then making sure it's not overbought or oversold before entering a credit spread in the direction of the trend. So I'm trading with the trend. So I've done this one for about a week now, and here's where we're at. You can see it's done pretty well, and I've closed $253 in profit so far. So what did I do this past week? You can see right here, everything closing on the 23rd, which would have been Friday, and then the 22nd. So I just ran it, or just closed 2 days worth of trades, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades that were closed, for a total of $169 if you added all of these up. Now, my closed profit total is a little bit higher because there were some that have closed this week, and you can see the current open ones are not doing too well, and I'm going to address that in an upcoming video of how we can make sure that we're not getting these losers like this. But in any case, overall, the bot is doing very well, and I am enjoying the 5 SMA. I think the 5 SMA is performing much better than the 14 SMA, and that's the one I originally started with. Okay, so let's take a look at these trades once again, and the monthly overall profit, or loss in this case, using Option Alpha. So here is my premium trade log, and this is just the trade log tab right now, and I'm only looking at those trades that were closed in June. And you can see right here, closed in June, and also just the spreads. So if we add in we just look at the Ironflies, and I had mentioned this before, just for June right here, not a very good month, negative $885. So 2 losses, 1 win. This is when I paused the bot last week, and then I turned on the credit spread bot. So if we look at just the credit spreads for the month of June right here, and then, for the month of June, $247.96 after the fees. So that if we add in the fees back in, you can see, if we add in the fees back in, you can see is $253. That's what matched the closed profit in Option Alpha. Once again, Option Alpha is not including all of the fees that are taken out with Tradier. So it's 36 cents for every credit spread. So basically 18 cents per open and close of a single option, 36 cents for opening close of 2 options, which would be a credit spread. All right, so if we go over to the dashboard, you can see all of my numbers right here, and you can see I'm down for the month of June. That's because the Ironfly losses are really offsetting any of the wins that I'm getting right now for these credit spreads. But going into next month, in July, I hope that will turn around, as I'm not running the Ironflies, or at least I don't intend to run the Ironflies as long as this particular bot is working. In any case, if you want your copy of this premium trade log, there's a link down in the description. So with this bot, I am actually trading a few different tickers. Basically, it's just going to be these 5 tickers right here. SPY, Gold, QQQ, DIA, and IWM. I may add in some individual stock tickers later on, but I'm not quite sure if I'm going to do that yet. But that is something I am considering. So I'll report back next week to let you know how this bot is performing, as well as there will be some upcoming videos, as well as some updates on the different iterations that I'm testing with this trend trading credit spread bot, and some of the details of why I'm using the 5 SMA with the RSI check versus the others. So please be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. If you have any questions about this, please leave a comment down below. Try to get to it as quickly as possible. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.